Doesn't work.
This not work. Blood pressure is good, huh? 128 to 89. 128, 89, huh? هذا ما
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the World Safety Day. To our new
Protection, love, loving affection, whether I'm right or wrong, and that won't break me when I come to call. Communities and beyond. Safety is not just a topic for discussion in a single day. It's a commitment. Or promoting a culture of safety within our organization, which with us a knowledge and determination to prioritize safety above all else. Let's can thrive without a fear of harm. Thank you for this World Safety Day. Let's continue working towards a safer, healthier, and more secure future. Thank you. Today about celebration for the World Safety Day.
Brilliant celebration today, right? This is the day we've dedicated for safety, and then Allah says, thank you, brilliant job, you guys have done an excellent job today. And then look at the decoration, you can pan out to this area. It's been done very well done.
All has been done under your supervision. Of course, our friend here. What do you want to add on this? Regarding celebration for today, safety World Day.
Now, it's not about one day, right? In Alosis, I think we respect safety of people, and I think we do it every day, day in, day out. And yeah, as Venu said, the organization, how it has been organized, I'm very happy. And thanks to Hepsi and Victor, Naomi, Frank,
Everything was
the whole
under,
team.
under your supervision, and of course.
Okay, that goes to give you one more point for MMP, so don't worry.
Victor, our HSW manager. What do you
The
want
guy
to
who
add on this?
irritates me.
The guy who was managing the navigation for this one. What do you want to add on this?
Talk about safety.
Regarding today's celebration about World Safety Day.
So for today's celebration, I want everyone to participate, and I have one sort of game that will uplift the people from their side coming here, and they will be uplifted.
Okay. Looking forward to seeing you.
Now you tell me, let's ask you. Okay, Hepsi, what do you think, what do you feel about safety in Alosis, if you can sum up?
Now our board members, our CEO, they have contributed with a wonderful video shared with us.
Right.
I remember the day we joined NEOM. It was 1.5 years ago.
Right.
And our directors, our owners, they said to me clearly, safety is the priority. Of course, they need protection, but safety is the first. They need us and set a high standard. And we can sacrifice the protection, but we don't sacrifice safety. So I hope in the last 1.5 years we improved ourselves in that line, and I hope we continue doing the same for the many years to come.
Perfect, good. Naomi,
Naomi, what do you want to add on this one?
LASAIS, we take safety very seriously, and it's not only for ourselves, it's also for our families. In whatever we do every day, when we come in, when we start our job, we make sure safety is a serious item in our day-to-day activities.
Thank you, Miss Philippines.
Thank you.
So, for the meantime, we will wait until 11 o'clock so that we can start.
ये आप लोगों का टीम लीडर है, कोई भी तकलीफ है, ये आपका पहला कांटेक्ट, ठीक है जी। और 46 में और कौन है? 46 के लिए और आप ही टीम लीडर है। कौन कौन टीम लीडर? हाथ उठाओ। 1 2 3 4 आगे आगे टीम लीडर आगे आ जाओ। टीम लीडर आगे आ जाओ।
Yes, Rocky, Romeo, move out. Everyone knows the team leaders, right? Everyone know. If you have problem with welfare in the camp, with problem with the supervisor, everyone knows the team leaders, right? Everyone knows how to report. Extra, that's all I need.
Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Safety. Safety. The reason as to why we are here today, it's all about celebrating World Safety Day. And at this moment, I'm going to hand it over to my manager, that is Victor, to have a small session with you people.
Good morning, guys. Thank you for coming today, and I would like you to participate in this World Safety Day. Okay, so this is just a short celebration, and I need your participation. And welcome to all of you. And from our side, from Module 39, which is this one, from our workshop, and from our filing area. So thank you for coming. And we will have a short upliftment of our spirits. Huh? So, for this World Safety Day, the purpose is that we need to have one day awareness for today, but this awareness must be up to the end of the project. Okay? Not only for today. Safety awareness all throughout the project. We have to finish this project without any incidents. Okay? So that we can go home to our family. We can see that in our videos. So thank you also for the contribution, for the video clips that you have provided to us, and we will play that afterwards. Okay? So this group, I need to have this group for Module 39. I want you to shout word. Okay? After that, wait a minute. And the workshop, safety. And the Module 46 is day. Okay? Maybe naka-correlated properly. So I need now to shout properly.
Good morning, everybody. This is amazing. I think this is the first time I see you guys all together. Although knowing that there are safety awards on a monthly basis, but did they ever come together like this? All of them. Okay. Anyhow, today we celebrate the World Safety Day, which is a globally recognized campaign to promote safe, healthy, and decent work, right? And it's been observed and recognized by the International Labour Organization since 2003. So, yeah, I'm not the guy of big words. I think Pepsi and Michael Cronin, they can confirm this one, but I will try my best. I want to go back quickly as a recap of where we started. We started in November, December 2022. We had 2 work orders from NEOM. And since then, actually, the show continued. We had no major delays. We finished the first 2 work orders in May last year. Meanwhile, we grabbed an opportunity from NEOM to deal with the NEOM steel yard for loading and unloading of steel, which kept us busy until February 2024. And yeah, in the meantime as well, we grabbed work order number 5, which is for the Marina, the Scope 8 and Module 46, which is going to keep us busy, hopefully until the end of the year. And then we'll see how it goes. All right? So now I need to have a quick look on what I wrote down here. What is important to mention is, and this figure came from Victor yesterday, we have accumulated, if I'm not mistaken, Victor, 1.57 million man-hours. 1.57 million. And this is an absolute fantastic job. 0 accident, right? And this one is all because of you. It's all of you who are helping to have this one achieved, right? And yeah, it's all set by the standards of NEOM, who have set straight from the beginning the highest safety standards and requirements on the NEOM project, which is at the moment the biggest construction project in the world. And all of you have adhered to the standards of NEOM. So congratulations. Overall, I think, yeah, how many countries we have here together in ALO6? All of you coming from different countries. How many we have? Let's start with Saudi, right? We have a few Saudi guys. What about Great Britain? Do we have Great Britain in ALO6?
Yes.
Nobody from Great Britain? No. That means NEOM must have grabbed them all, isn't it? Huh? But we have great India. Hallelujah. Right? So now Victor is going to count this one. We have Saudi, we have great India. Keep going. Egypt. One by one. Egypt. How many? Count. Count, Victor. Okay, what about Nepal? Did we say Nepal? Did we say Kenya? Did we say South Africa?
Yeah.
India. There's one little state remaining, no? Where's Jens? Where's Jens? What about Germany? Huh? Which indeed is, I think it's the easiest country based on mentality to work with, right? Is that true, Jens? Easy people, huh? No, anyhow, joke aside. All of you, 13 countries, right? Language barriers sometimes. But at the end of the day, we work in a team. We might not understand each other all the time, but we have created a work environment which allows us to work in a team, right? Which is good. And I want this one to continue. If we look back straight from the beginning, NEOM has set the highest safety standards and requirements, which was needed for the biggest construction project currently on the planet, and we complied with all aspects to present day. We never had this opportunity, as such, including myself, to come together, but this is heartwarming today, right? And I want to repeat this one at a later stage where we find opportunities to come together and do something for the people, right? So now, we only have limited time here. We have asked some of our colleagues to come up with some video clips. Video clips from home, from family, members, friends, whoever you want to name it, to show actually everybody else that you need to be safe and healthy at any given time. And even we have limited this one, we only got like maybe 10 of them accumulated, but it stands for everybody. It's all about you. You need to be safe here, you need to be healthy here, and at one stage you need to go home safe, right? So let's continue of what we have developed here and created. Let's keep the standards up, right? There's no, what you say in English, there's no hanky-panky left or right. Right? We have to adhere to the standards. What I also wanted to mention is, we discussed that last week in the management meeting, we're going to create some suggestion boxes, right? I think Henk from the workshop is going to do this one. He will set it up in the workshop, in the office, in the steel yard on site, where everybody of you guys, any concerns, any improvements on work-related issues, call it, right? Any improvement on site which can be made, you're welcome. Put a piece of paper in this box. We open that once a month, and then we look. You don't have to write the camera number, name, but we will follow it up. We want you to be safe, right? And if anything needs to be improved, you help us to make it better, all right? So basically, that's all from my side. I think I'm going to hand over back to Victor. I think we're going to start showing you the video clips. Should we start with the one which is a message from Little Egypt, where our project manager disappeared a couple of days ago. He could not be part of this, but we have a separate message, isn't it? From Mr. Ali. Huh? What? Okay. Okay, so we will do that later on. All right, so then I will hand over now to Victor, follow up. Enjoy the video clips later. There's a presentation from NEOM as well. And like Victor mentioned before, there's a quiz coming up. There's some minor awards, nothing special, but you can always use these minor awards at a later stage, right? In a monthly safety award or whatever. We make it happen that everybody one day runs out with the same thing on his button, right? Okay, so enjoy the next 1 hour and keep in mind all the time safe and healthy, all right? All right? And anything you can do, all right? Thanks.
Okay, thank you, Frank, for that message. And for all of us, as have been mentioned, this project is also all about you, all about us. Okay? So we have to do this safely and we can go home safely. Okay? So remember, this is about you. Without you, this project cannot go, cannot be finished. That's how important you are in this project. Okay? So let's give a round of applause for each and every one of us. And before, we have mentioned that we have changed already the emergency number, which is the LOC. Okay? And now we have a new number also, which is a separate number for the grievance machinery, grievance procedure. So this will be effective today and onwards. Okay? So we will show you the grievance procedure with a video from NEOM, and you can take also the number. So this involves those complaints or suggestions that you have in mind, separate from the LOC, which is for the incidents. Okay? So we have the LOC number and we have the grievance number. Okay? So do not confuse. LOC for the incidents and grievance number for any complaints and issues in our camps or on our safety issues. So that will be rolled out with these slides. So I would like to call on Mr. Dino Prasad.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, नमस्कार, अफ्रीका। मेरा नाम है विनु प्रसाद। Do you want it in English or in Hindi? The only two languages I can speak. हिंदी? चलो, मेरा हिंदी भी इतना अच्छा नहीं है, पर सबको समझ में आ रहा है ना जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ? आप लोग नियम प्रोजेक्ट, ओके, आपका घर में कितना आपका रिलेटिव्स पूछा, आपका रिलेटिव्स कितना पूछा होगा आपको, आप किधर काम कर रहे हैं, किधर काम कर रहे हैं आप लोग? द लाइन में है ना? आपने वो वीडियोस दिखाए आपके रिलेटिव्स को? ये पूरा इतना बड़ा प्रोजेक्ट है, द लाइन प्रोजेक्ट, ओके, हम लोग सब उसको रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं, सही है ना? चलो, ये प्रोजेक्ट में सेफ्टी एक चीज है और ग्रीवियंस मतलब हमारा प्रोजेक्ट का 3 पिलर्स होता है। आप देख सकते हैं इधर 3 पिलर्स में एक है एम्प्लॉइज का वेलफेयर। एम्प्लॉइज का वेलफेयर का मतलब क्या है? आपका ख्याल रखने का, अब आपका खुद का ख्याल रखने का और आपका दोस्तों का भी ख्याल रखने का, ओके? तो एक चीज होता है एम्प्लॉइज वेलफेयर, एक चीज होता है टेक्नोलॉजी और तीसरा है ट्रेनिंग। टेक्नोलॉजी क्या होता है? आप लोग देखा होगा स्टील यार्ड्स में, आप गए स्टील यार्ड टीम कौन सा है? इधर ये साइड में आप लोग देखा होगा, इधर हम लोग कितना टेक्नोलॉजी का इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं। एआई कैमरास रखा हुआ है पूरा जगह पे, हम लोग पीवास सिस्टम, प्रॉक्सिमिटी सेंसर अलार्म सिस्टम्स, ये सब कुछ हमारा सेफ्टी में एक इंटीग्रेटेड पार्ट है, ओके? और तीसरा है ट्रेनिंग, सब ट्रेनिंग किया हुआ है इधर ना, कैसे काम करने का, ये सब कुछ ट्रेनिंग आपको मिला होगा, राइट? अभी फर्स्ट वाला जो वेलबींग का बारे में मैं बोलेगा, नेक्स्ट स्लाइड। अभी ये नंबर आपको दिखाई दे रहा है? आपको इसके बारे में साइट में भी आपको पूरा पोस्टर्स मिलेगा, ओके? ये नंबर किस चीज के लिए आप लोग रखा है? फर्स्ट तो एलओसी का नंबर है, जैसे विक्टर बोला, एलओसी का नंबर, आपको एक्सीडेंट होएगा या ब्रेकडाउन ऐसा कुछ भी है तो एलओसी में आप कॉल कर सकता है। और ये नंबर खाली एम्प्लॉय का है, ये ग्रीवियंस होता है, ओके? आपको आपका सैलरी सही टाइम में नहीं मिलेगा, नहीं मिल रहा है आपको, आपका पासपोर्ट आपका मर्जी के बिना जमा कर दिया कंपनी में, या आपको कुछ, कैन यू शो द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड? नहीं तो आपको कुछ हरासमेंट, बुलिंग, आपको फूड का कंप्लेंट है, सबको एक जैसे खाना मिल रहा है इधर, मेरे को पता नहीं, और आपको कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स ऐसे कुछ भी कंप्लेंट्स हैं, वो नंबर पे जैसे पहले दिखाया वो नंबर पे आप कॉल कर सकते हैं, ओके? ये नया इनिशिएटिव है नियम से, समझ में आ गया सबको? अभी ये नंबर को अब्यूज भी नहीं करने का, जैसे कि मेरे को सुपरवाइजर ये करने के लिए बोला, वो करने के लिए बोला, ऐसा बोल के कंप्लेंट मत करने का, ओके? जो आपको क्रिटिकल लग रहा है वो आप फोन करके कंप्लेंट कर सकते हैं, ओके? क्लियर? दूसरा, हमारा प्रोजेक्ट में है ना, अभी आप में से कितना ड्राइवर्स और ऑपरेटर्स है? ऑपरेटर्स, ड्राइवर्स कितना है जो गाड़ी चलाने वाला? 5 ही ड्राइवर्स है, ओके? ये प्रोजेक्ट में तकरीबन 3000-4000 टिप्पर है, ओके? ट्रिपर, ट्रेलर, ऐसा बहुत कुछ चीजें ये प्रोजेक्ट में। अभी क्या होता है, बहुत ज्यादा एक्सीडेंट्स मिलने के लिए देख रहे हैं हमको। ये पिछले हफ्ते में ही 11-12 इंसिडेंट हो गया, 12 एक्सीडेंट हो गया, आपका कंपनी में नहीं, दूसरा कंपनी में, ओके? तो हमको क्या क्या करने का है? आप ड्राइवर्स जितना 5 ड्राइवर्स है ना, सबको पता है क्या क्या करने का है। कोई ड्राइवर आके बोल सकता है ड्राइविंग सेफ्टी के बारे में? आपका नाम क्या है? जावेद। आप क्या गाड़ी चला रहे हैं? ट्रेलर। जी बोलिए।
ड्राइविंग करते वक्त फासला रखना है। जो एक्सीडेंट होता है फासले की वजह से होता है, उसमें 100 मीटर का वक्फा होना चाहिए गाड़ी चलाते वक्त। और अपना सीट बेल्ट, गाड़ी चेक, टायर, 4 चफेरे गाड़ी के आगे पीछे घूम के गाड़ी को चेक करने का, उसका टायर चेक करना है, लाइट, सिग्नल, सीट बेल्ट और गाड़ी में वक्फा रखने का। और सेफ ड्राइविंग करना है, आगे पीछे देख के चलना है, ओवरटेक नहीं करना। इधर 30 का स्पीड है ट्रेलर का, उससे ऊपर नहीं जाना, 40-50 पे नहीं जाने का। 30 के स्पीड पे आपने ड्राइविंग करना है, 20-25 के दरमियान में चलना है। और अपना ख्याल रखना है, अपने घर वालों का ख्याल रखना है। इधर सेफ चलोगे, एक्सीडेंट हो जाएगा, आपका टांग बाजू कुछ भी हो सकता है। और सेफ रहोगे और सेफ अपने घर जाओगे। इधर सेफ ड्राइविंग करने आए हो न्यू प्रोजेक्ट में, और सेफ रहोगे और सेफ जाओगे घर में।
थैंक यू। सबको समझ में आया ना? वेल डन। राइट, तो again, thank you for the fantastic job here, right? I know you guys have a phenomenal record in Alosis for the health and safety program. How you have arrived is how we want you to leave. We want all your appendages intact, right? Before you leave this project. Thank you very much, Victor and team. Everyone, all the management team, and the safety manager. Now we'll show you a couple of videos.
Before we watch the video, we have our ambulance out there. In case you feel like you want to be tested, it's an ongoing activity right now. If you feel you want to be checked your blood pressure, you want to be checked your sugar levels, out there the service is free, so you can just go there and get tested. That is voluntary. If you feel like you want to get tested on anything, just go get seen by our nurses and paramedics. They are just out there.
Good morning, everybody.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello, everyone. My name is Patricia, and my father is Victor.
Hi, everyone. My dad is Roman Medina.
My dad is Fernando P. Master Jr.
I'm Grandpa, greeting from Germany. Stay safe and come home healthy. We miss you. Stay safe and come home healthy. We miss you.
Good morning, everybody. Today you all came together to celebrate the World Safety Day. From the management side, I would like to say thank you to all of you for your continuous commitment on the Neon 9 project, and that you remain safe and healthy at any given time, because we need you to be part of our achievement to deliver this project without accident, and that all of you remember that families and friends are waiting for you. So please be safe and healthy at any given time. Have a wonderful day. Bye.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear Frank and all new project team members, our wishes on National Safety Day. To be safe is the first and the foremost things for all of us. Safety at work is not something to think about once a week or a month or a year. It is something we must live each day, every day. As you do your work, take a moment to make sure you have the best plan and controls in place to do your work safely. I appreciate each one of you for your dedication to high safety standard and being fully compliant with new safety standard on site. Safety is not an option, it is a priority to all of us. Make safe as your culture and habit. Thank you, gentlemen.
Dad, on World Safety Day, we're reminded of the importance of working safely. Your well-being means everything to us. Please take care and come home healthy. We love you.
Hi everyone, my name is Florence Bonita, and today being World Health and Safety Day, I want to take this moment to appreciate all of you for your commitment to health and safety while at work. This commitment gives us the hope of meeting with our family members real soon.
Hi everyone, my dad is Roman Medina and he is working in NEOM, the Lion Project. I am his son Kim Arjun Medina and I am asking every one of you to please take care of my dad as much as you take care of yourself. I know that same as my dad, every one of you are doing sacrifices, being away from each family just to provide a living back here in our home country. As we celebrate World Safety Day, I admire your dedication in providing us safety in your work abroad. More power to NEOM and Al Osais Company. Safety first. Thank you.
Including us back home. I just want you to know that your hard work and difficulties is being cherished and not wasted on us. We love you and appreciate all that you do. Love, Alyssa, daughter of Hank Bidwell.
Everyone, my name is Laurie and Naomi is my mother. I would like to urge all of you as we are celebrating World Safety Day, please make sure that you keep safe. In whatever you do, make sure that you ensure the safety of the next person. And to Mom, as you are preparing yourself to come back to us, make sure that you are healthy. We are waiting for you, by the way. And by the way, in addition, you are my dream career inspiration. We love you. Bye bye. Love you.
Hello everyone, my name is Patricia and my father is Victor. He works as a safety manager at the NEOM The Lion Project. And Dad, I know that you know that I'm always proud of you because it takes a person, like a special person, to be able to dedicate their lives outside of their family, outside of their country, and ensuring that safety is always at the top of the priority for jobs such as this. So know that I'm proud of you, and I hope that you continue to take care of you and to take care of your health especially. So happy World Safety Day. Bye.
Always put safety first. Missing you. We wish you to come back healthy and in a good condition. We love you so much. Bye bye.
My dad is Fernando P. Massa Jr. and he's working in the NEOM The Lion Project. I'm his son, John Lisberg Massa, and I'm asking every one of you to please take care of my dad as much as you take care of yourself.
Hi everyone, my name is Franz Dominic S. Emasa and my dad is Fernando P. Emasa Jr. Dad, I want you to know how proud I am of the work you do. Your commitment to work safely not only protect others but also inspires me, as you are well aware that someday you will be back home with us. Stay safe and continue making a difference as we celebrate World Safety.
To the man I miss him so much, my Tito Romeo, I would love to say thank you for everything. You provide us with love, happiness that a real father can offer. Take good care always, especially in the Lion Project. I miss you and we love you, Tito.
Hi Pa! Happy World Safety Day! You always know how to make high-waist vest look cool. Thank you for making safety not just a rule but a way of life. Thank you so much for all your hard work and dedication. Today, we honor the real-life safety heroes like you. We love you, Father, always and forever. Take care and see you soon.
Videos we have finished. Now this is what we do at site. You can sit back and watch what we've been doing at site all along. is all what you've been doing. Clap for yourself nicely. Let's go. So at this moment, before we could jump into the quiz, we have these numbers here, the grievances number. So they will go around. You can pick one. At least you see the number yourself. You can save it for the explanation that Victor has already told you. So this moment, we will have a random question. I'm handing it over to Nelly. Please, Nelly. Okay, these are just random questions, so kindly don't feel offended.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. So we're gonna do the random questions, and the reason that we're doing the random question is just to see how much understanding we have when it comes to health and safety matters. So we're gonna start. I need like 10 people to take the random question, and then we're gonna pick it up from there. So the random questions are here. Where? I need people. People need to come.
People should step up. Go to Nelly, pick one paper.
I have picked one paper.
This here. Just come here.
Come
pick a paper here.
Front. Come here. People need to take a trial.
Give it a shot. Give it a shot. Pick a paper.
What is the proof of safety signage?
So the question says, what is the purpose of safety signage? The safety signages that we have on site, we've displayed a lot of them. So that is the question. What is the purpose of safety signages?
We साइड पे काम करता है ना, वो साइन बोर्ड है, लिफ्टिंग टाइम में साइन बोर्ड है तो बाहर के अंदर नहीं जाने का, एक्सपोजर जोन है और डस्टबिन किधर है और
इस क्वेश्चन का मैं आपको आंसर कर देता हूँ। दूसरा ये जा रहे हैं कि साइड पे जो साइनेजेस लगे होते हैं उनका पर्पस क्या है। किसी बंदे को अगर पता है तो आप उसका आंसर कर सकते हैं। तो आपको पहले तो आपको आंसर करेक्टली करेगा, उसके लिए टी शर्ट गिफ्ट होगा। अगर किसी को इसका आंसर पता है तो है, या इधर किसी को पता है तो आप
मकसद ये नहीं कि वो साइन बोर्ड देख उधर भी जाएगा।
Know if he's responding the correct way or if he's not responding the correct way. So is he responding the correct way? Okay. Alright, we need to award the child. So we clap for him. We have these safety signatures on site so that they can guide us. They provide us with the information, instruction when we are working on site. We can be able to know what to expect or what we are working on site. So the next question.
My name is Nurjaman Latona. Assalamualaikum. भाई मेरे को पूछना था काम करने से पहले क्या करना चाहिए? बाद में पहले साइट पे आके एक्टिविटी के ज्वाइन करेगा। बाद में वेरीफाइड जो पीपल है उधर साइन करके साइट पे जाने का पहले 5.50 डॉलर करना होगा। मतलब 50 बोर्ड and the 5 board of TP. The 5 board of TP. 50 board, base, block, hangar, and बाद में जाके उधर हेल्पर होगा तो उधर कोई कपड़ा होगा तो हाउस भी करना चाहिए वो वालर का पहले केबल मैनेजमेंट बेसिक करना चाहिए और ये करके काम करना चाहिए और ओके थैंक यू
answering our question, like what do we do before we start any activity? In our working area, every day we come to work, but what is the process before you start that activity? We need to start with the morning activity briefing. From there, we do the inspection of tools, we get our PPE in order, we ensure that the documentation are correct, the permit to work, the task briefing everyone has signed. So that is what we do on a daily basis, and then the rest of the other process continues. So we're gonna go to the third person, Imran Khan.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Imran from Pakistan.
सेफ्टी क्या है? तो सेफ्टी हम लोगों को सेफ रखने के लिए, अपनी हिफाजत के लिए इसको सेफ्टी बोलते हैं। खुद की हिफाजत के लिए और दूसरों की हिफाजत के लिए इसको सेफ्टी बोलते हैं। सेफ रखना सबको।
आगे इसके बेसिक प्रोसेस क्या है?
बेसिक प्रोसेस यही है कि जहाँ पे आप काम करते हैं ध्यान से करना है और अपने पीपीई का ख्याल रखना है। बेसिक प्रोसेस यही है।
Just a basic answer.
Yeah.
No. Tell the complete answer. What is the safety? Safety क्या है? Basically किस मकसद के लिए है?
सेफ्टी माहौल से खुद को सेफ रखने के लिए और अपना पीपी को सेफ करके काम करने के लिए।
आपको सेफ रखने के लिए और साइट को सेफ रखने के लिए बेसिक इसका आंसर ये है। वेरी गुड। ओके, that's a correct answer.
We clap for him. So the question was, what is safety? Because we sing every day, safety, safety, safety is what we talk about on every day. So we have the safety, HSE, health, safety and environment. All of these, they go hand in hand. So the question was, what is safety? That was the question. A state of well-being. That is safety, a state of well-being. The activities that we are doing, we need to ensure that we do them, but we do them on a safety aspect. We ensure that we do them and we do them safely. So safety is a state of well-being. So we're gonna go to the fourth person. Proceed.
Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah. My name is Habib from Bangladesh. My question is how the full meaning PAPI?
की ऑब्जर्वेशन एब्रीविएशन क्या है ये बताओ।
ऑब्जर्वेशन PAPI।
ये एब्रीविएशन नहीं है इसकी, ये फुल वर्ड क्या है?
A full meaning, I think this is a personal protection.
ना, ऐसा नहीं। अगर किसी से आप हेल्प लेना चाहते हो तो आप किसी को बुला के पूछ सकते हैं इधर से।
Anybody help me? This meaning what?
किसको पता है कि पापी की एब्रीविएशन क्या है? वो तो स्टैंड्स फॉर है, वो इसके एब्रीविएशन क्या है इसकी? Nobody knows.
We save him.
Papi, what is the meaning of papi? Someone has lifted the hand.
So, what is the meaning of papi? Yes? No, someone need to get this gift. Someone is taking the hand. I hope you haven't. You haven't Google. Yalla, come. Come. So we and check this one.
Ask the question again. Question is there. How the full meaning of PAPI?
Yes.
Permit.
No, papi. Papi. What is the meaning of papi? PAPI. Yes. Papi. This gift has to go with someone. Yes. Rocky has come to help. No, papi. No, papi. Papi.
People approach.
Almost. There, Rocky, come. Almost. Think it harder, almost.
If it's not, go to the next question. So every day sometimes we do the training for papi. You remember the time we go for trainings out there, we go train about papi. I'm surprised that you don't know the meaning of these. And every day we do this. Every day. In your activity, I have seen it. Rocky, want to try?
Papi. People and
I continue, almost. People and what? Someone needs to save him.
people operation point enterprise.
Oh, he has tried. He has really tried. It's people and plant interface. I hope you should come this way. Rocky, just come this way. You have really tried among all the people. You have really tried. You have tried the people and also interface. Yeah. The P, it's about plant. Okay? Now next time it's people and plant interface. Yes. Just go there. Clap for him. He has really tried. Carry on.
Oh, okay.
Next question.
So, we're gonna go to the next question.
Yes.
Assalamu alaikum. I am MD Shubha Rahman.
Question पढ़ो इसको.
Question: What do you do in case of fire?
क्वेश्चन ये है कि अगर आग लग जाती है तो आपको क्या करना चाहिए सबसे पहले? उसका आंसर आप बता सकते हैं? हाँ जी बोलें.
आग लग जाएगा तो हमको फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर जो होता है वो यूज़ करना है. वो काम के पहले ही वो जिधर हम लोग हॉट वर्क करेगा, हॉट वर्क के पहले ही वो हमको उधर लेना चाहिए. वो जो फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर होता है, फायर ब्लैंकेट होता है, वो सब कुछ उधर रखना है. फिर हाउस कीपिंग का बहुत ज़रूरी है. हाउस कीपिंग नहीं हो तो आग लग जाएगा. सबसे पहले हमको हाउस कीपिंग का ख्याल रखना चाहिए. जब आग लग जाएगा, एक वो हो सकता तो मैं देखा सकता है, जो फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर होता है, जब आग लग जाएगा फर्स्ट हम उधर का क्लिप निकाल लेंगे. फिर उधर का जो एक पाइप होता है जिधर से वो बाहर होता है वो हाथ मिलेगा, फिर क्लिप पुश करेगा. जिधर आग लगा है ऊपर नहीं है, जिधर से आग स्टार्ट हुआ है हम उधर वो पुश करेगा.
वेरी गुड.
फिर से आग निभ जाएगी.
वेरी गुड. करेक्ट आंसर.
Okay, he was explaining about the fire, what we do about the fire. So rule number 1, in case of fire, make sure you shout,
Make sure you alert the people that are around you. Then you can proceed extinguishing the fire. So we're gonna go to the other question. Santosh.
Good morning. My name is Santosh Kumar Thakur. I am from Nepal. What is the proper way of using the fire extinguisher? हम लोग का फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर कैसे यूज करना है, इसका ये क्या है? पुल आर्म स्विंग स्क्वीज द स्विंग। हम लोग का ये कैसे यूज करना है? पहला हम लोग का ये जो है फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर का ग्रीन देखना है, इसका ये पिंग अच्छा है या नहीं है, कैसे यूज कर सकता है हम लोग का।
यस शाबाश, आगे।
हम लोग का जब काम स्टार्ट करने से पहला हम लोग का एरिया क्लीन करना है, कैसे है नहीं है। जैसे
आपका क्वेश्चन सिर्फ ये है कि फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर को ऑपरेट करना है, चलाना है, वो कैसे, उसका प्रोसीजर क्या है, जस्ट वो बता।
हम लोग का ये फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर चलाने से पहले इसका पिंग चेक करना है, इसका हॉर्न चेक करना है सही है या नहीं है, और उसके बाद ये ग्रीन कलर पे है या नहीं, ग्रीन कलर पे है उसके बाद चला सकते हैं, सब कुछ सही है उसके बाद चला सकते हैं। थैंक यू।
आगे जब कहीं पे एक फायर है, आग लगी हुई है, तो वहाँ पे हम इसको कैसे यूज़ करेंगे?
इधर आग लगा है तो हम लोग जिधर से आग लगा है ना उधर किधर से हवा चल रहा है, किधर से नहीं हवा चल रहा है,
कोई मसला नहीं है, इजी। आंसर प्लीज।
इधर आग लगा है तो हम लोग कैसे इसको मिटाना है?
ठीक है।
जिधर से हवा चल रहा है उधर से नहीं, जिधर से इधर से हवा चल रही है तो हम लोग को इधर से मिटाएगा तो उधर मिट सकता है।
ओके, करेक्ट आंसर।
थैंक यू।
So, as we proceed, let me see. Yeah, so we proceed with the question. So the question was, what is the proper way of using the fire extinguisher? That he has been able to respond. We use the acronym PASS. P stand
पास
with
जो प्रोसीजर है फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर को ऑपरेट करने का, चलाने का, वो किस को पता है? ये क्या चीज़ है पास? PASS। ऑलरेडी मैंने ट्रेनिंग की हुई है, आपको पता होगा। आप जो वेल्डर्स हो, आपको मैंने बताया हुआ है। टेरा ड्रिल के किधर है वेल्डर? टेरा ड्रिल आ जाओ पास।
how माफी मालूम।
सेकंड वन, उसका सेकंड कौन है? आपको वेल्डर दिया, सेकंड वेल्डर किधर? कम
आया कम। PASS.
What is the abbreviation of PASS and what is the procedure of PASS?
PASS is for the P is pull the pin. For the A is aim the base of the fire, and S is squeeze the nozzle and sweep side by side.
Very good.
So we're gonna proceed to the next.
T-shirt is finished.
Aye.
T-shirt is finished.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Rizwan Khan, and my question is, what is the correct way to lift heavy object at site? ये साइट पर हेवी लोड को कैसे उठाना है? तो हेवी लोड के उठाने के लिए हमें अपने हाथों और घुटनों का इस्तेमाल करना चाहिए, हमें अपने बैग का इस्तेमाल नहीं करना चाहिए। जैसे भी उठाना है इस तरह नीचे जाना है, ऐसे उठाना है, इस तरह नहीं उठाना है। इस तरह उठाएगा तो इधर खराब हो जाएगा।
वेरी गुड। ये आपको मैनुअल हैंडलिंग का बता रहे हैं कि अगर आपने कोई मैनुअल हैंडलिंग करनी है तो उसका प्रोसीजर क्या होना चाहिए। वो आपका पोस्चर बता रहे हैं, पोस्चर के मुताबिक आपने उठाना है, हैवी वेट आपने नहीं उठाना है मैनुअल हैंडलिंग से। इसका जो है करेक्ट आंसर उन्होंने दे दिया, जो करेक्ट आंसर।
Okay, let us demonstrate for us how we do the manual handling.
हम कैसे उठा सकते हैं हैवी?
Okay, we clap for him. So anytime that we are doing manual handling, we make sure that we are using our thighs muscles and our hand muscle to protect our our back. The back should always be aligned when we are doing the manual handling activities. Thank you. We award him. So we'll go to the next one.
गाड़ी में
What is the importance of wearing seat belt? गाड़ी में अगर सीट बेल्ट पहनना तो उसकी इंपॉर्टेंस क्या है? वो क्यों जरूरी है सीट बेल्ट पहनना?
वो इसलिए ज़रूरी है कि जब भी एक्सीडेंट हो जाता है आदमी को पीछे कवर करता है, आपका मुंह नहीं लगता है वो आगे के साथ और डैशबोर्ड के साथ, इसलिए ज़रूरी है। और बस यही काम है उसका। सेफ रखता है।
और ड्राइविंग सेफ्टी के वाले से क्या चीज़ें जो आपको पता है?
ड्राइविंग सेफ्टी के लिए तो डिस्टेंस रखना चाहिए, सेफ डिस्टेंस रखना चाहिए। दूसरी बात यह है कि इंडिकेटर का इस्तेमाल करना चाहिए। और तीसरी बात मतलब
स्पीड लिमिट कितना है?
स्पीड लिमिट 30 है।
वेरी गुड।
हाँ, स्पीड लिमिट का ख्याल रखना चाहिए।
वेरी गुड, थैंक यू। द करेक्ट आंसर।
Yes, we clap for him. So what is the importance of wearing a safety belt in a vehicle? So that was the question.
वो आपको डेली बता। Yes.
We're gonna proceed.
Last one.
Hello, my name is Rajendra.
Our question is why is important to wear PPEs? साइड पे PPEs पहनना क्यों जरूरी है?
साइड पे जाने पहले लाजम पाइप एंड पीपी पहन के जाना है। पीपी बोले तो पीपी पहन के जाना है। लास्ट हेड हेलमेट और सेफ्टी ग्लव्स हैंड ग्लव्स और वेस्ट सेफ्टी शूज।
ये ज़रूरी क्यों है?
जरूरी बोले तो अपना संभालने के लिए।
ठीक है।
जैसे
हेलमेट क्यों ज़रूरी है?
हेलमेट कोई कुछ ऊपर से गिरेगा तो
ठीक है,
वो आसानी से गिरेगा तो संभलेगा।
ठीक है। पीपीज आपके लिए इसलिए ज़रूरी है कि आपको कोई छोटी मोटी जो भी आपकी कोई हार्मफुल चीज़ है उससे डिफेंड करता है आपको, इसलिए आपके पीपी साइड के लिए ज़रूरी है। जी करेक्ट आंसर। वेरी गुड, थैंक यू।
Okay, so as we wind up, the question was about PPE. Before we come to PPE, under hierarchy of control, we start by eliminating the activity. If you cannot be able to eliminate the activity, we do what? We put engineering controls. If engineering control we cannot be able, we go to substitution. If substitution we cannot be able to substitute the activity, we go to administration, where we get documentation in place, and then we go to PPE, because PPE, it's a personal protective equipment. It's not a collective protective. So it is a personal. It's not a collective protective measure. So PPE, it's personal, it's for the user. So these are the winners for today. I'm gonna hand over to Victor, and then we can proceed.
How about the precision? Round of applause.
Thank you very much. You can go back. Thank you very much. These are just questions of what we do at site. You can just go back to your positions. And right now, I'm welcoming Mr. Michael from NIOM to give us a speech. Welcome, Michael. Clap for him.
Hello, everyone. So I just want to say thank you to everyone for attending World Safety Day. I think we can all agree, and as NIOM, safety is absolutely at the heart of everything we do every single day, okay? It's my priority as NIOM that every single person here gets home safe every single day, okay? Firstly, I'd like to say big congratulations to Alasias. I've been here since you put the first pile in the ground to today. You've never had an accident, single lost time incident, so big well done for that. Love the videos, okay? Those videos should be a reflection to us all, okay? Because if anything happens on site with any one of us as a team, it doesn't just affect the people on the site. It affects globally, people, families, children, grandparents, mothers, fathers, okay? So the most important thing we do every day is we should be looking out for each other, okay? Every single person here is empowered. Okay, there's no directors, there's no managers when safety is concerned. You're all directors, you're all managers. If you see an unsafe act, every single person here has the power to stop the job. Okay? Do a risk assessment, reassess the danger, and then move on with the work. Okay? That's my message for today. I'm going to hand over to Mr. TJ, our director. Thank you very much.
How you doing, everyone? My name is TJ Francisco. I'm one of the directors on the line. I just want to say thank you to Frank and the entire Alice team, the safety team here. You guys got today absolutely 100% correct. From the messaging that starts with your family to build up into the experience that you as individuals have here on site, and then from that experience to be able to share amongst your coworkers, up into the company at Alice, and then into the program here at NEOM. 100% fantastic. Love the energy, love the creativity, love the messaging. So give everyone in this room another round of applause. Congratulations. So I heard Frank say a statistic of 1.7 million man hours, I think, without a lost time incident. Let's go for 2 million and then 2.5 and keep that momentum going. Fantastic job, everybody. Now I'm going to introduce my colleague, Uwe Freitag, also from NEOM.
Good morning, everyone. It feels like a little bit like a half a year ago when I left Malaysia and I came here to the Saudi job, because I always see familiar faces from Pakistan, from Bangladesh, from India, because it's the same scenario. I just want to highlight one point, guys, and that's always forgotten. Because I heard fantastic numbers. Everybody has achieved 1.57 million man hours, and the families are happy at home, and they are more happy if you're coming home. But one of the points to get home safe and healthy is we're all coming from, I don't know, 10 different countries, I assume, more or less. So we all have arguments. And sometimes we don't agree to each other. But let it be an argument. Let it be a heated argument. But never ever start a fight. Because this is what we don't want. Because then you get into an unsafe and unhealthy mode. We have enough trouble in the world. So I would say we make this a peaceful environment. Thank you. Oh, next one.
Hello. I'm not much of a public speaker, but I just want to say that I've actually worked on this project since the start of LOCS's first work order. And I've not seen one accident, and that is a fantastic achievement. From the daily briefings that everybody does, the inspections, the plant inspections before they go to work in the morning, everybody does a fantastic job. And I just want to extend the gratitude from the NEOM lifting team, but it's not just about lifting, it's about everybody in the room, from the flagmen to the labourers, to the crane operators, to the riggers. Everybody is doing a fantastic job, so keep up the great work. Thank you very much.
Thank you, guys. And now we are going to the closing remarks delivered by our construction manager, Mr. Hefsi. Mr. Hefsi, are you there?
As we wait for Mr. Hefsi to come, what is the theme for the day? What is the theme for the day as we wait for Hefsi to come?
Safety for sustainable future.
What is the theme for today?
Hello, everyone. First of all, thanks to Victor, Naomi, everyone organizing this lovely day. It was really amazing event. I would just like to add one more thing before we close this one. always remember, safety is not one day thing. It's something you need to commit and you need to follow, take it home with you. It's not always about the gears, the lifting gears, and the PPE. It's also mean driving safely, going home safely to everyone you love. Thank you everyone for organizing this day, and I hope that we see next year another days to come. Thank you, Victor. Thank you, everyone.
Okay, so we have some juice and some snacks. So after this one, just line up. Do not get crowded. You can have your snacks. Huh? And again, I would like to end this celebration to remind you that, as mentioned in the early of our program, we need to work safely. We need to go home safely. Okay? Be reminded that without you, this project will not go on. Okay? We are the one making the project. So please work safely and we can go home to our respective families. Okay? So now, again, as we started our celebration, you remember, World Safety Day. So this side is World. That side? Okay, so are you ready? I need more sound, huh? Aywa, thank you very much. Okay, you can get your snacks now. Some refreshment. There's a refreshment, there's some Pepsi and some snacks.
Thank you guys for watching this video. This is a World Safety Day video. This is for you. Thank you.
Okay, 1, 2.
This one doesn't work. This not work. Blood pressure is good, huh? 128 to 89. 128, 89, huh?